The Manor by Caspian Velasquez. On the back cover it says, "You're not supposed to be here. A vampire's manor, passed down from generation to generation. The atmosphere is haunting, but the current owner doesn't seem too different from you. Either way, breaking in probably wasn't the best idea. You better leave before someone catches you." So if I open up the book, what do I find? This is the living room. This is the bathroom. This is the bedroom with clothing on the floor. And this is the kitchen. And if you want to display it in the open position, you just tie the ties from the front cover and the back cover, and you will have the entire thing as a 3D display. Very good job, Caspian.